Hey Owls, I'm Brittany Flowers and this is FAU Today, a weekly update on all things FAU. Are you registered to vote? The deadline is approaching and on tomorrow, September 22nd from 6 to 7 p.m., FAU will be here for you. In observance of National Voter Registration Day, the Division of Student Affairs will be holding an interactive overview of the evolution of voting, providing resources on how to register to vote, and trivia. A prize will be mailed to the winner of the trivia contest. The Fall 2020 Virtual Graduate Open House will take place on Thursday, September 24th from 4 to 7 p.m. During the event, attendees will have the opportunity to explore more than 100 master's specialists and doctoral level graduate programs with flexible options for evening, weekend, and online courses. Attendees will also interact with distinguished faculty and admissions representatives and learn about fellowships, assistantships, financial aid, and more. FAU Center for Ideas has launched its Diversity, Education, and Identity online training course, and it's available to all FAU students. This 60-minute course is designed to help increase self-awareness of personal, social, and cultural identity, structural and systematic oppression, and address ongoing societal problems. The upcoming training dates for this semester are October 16th and November 20th. Remember, you can stay connected with us on social.